Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another learning video. Do you know that couple of months back USFDA has issued Form 483 to Macleods Pharmaceuticals? I guess those who are working in USFDA approved plants they might be aware of this. Well friends, but the facility of Macleods Pharmaceuticals was inspected by USFDA in the month of October from 18th of October to 1st of November 2021. It was almost 11 days audit if you exclude Saturdays and Sundays. There were two auditors who conducted the audit and their names were Rajiv Srivastav and Dipesh Shah. Auditors has given 7 observations. Out of 7 observations, 2 observations were repeated. So let us go through the details of all observations one by one. Observation number 1. Equipments and utensils were not cleaned and maintained appropriately to prevent contamination. Actually what happened during the audit, auditors found that in the manufacturing area, some of the equipments were having black color residue on their inner surfaces. Along with that, auditors also found that non-dedicated equipments were used for the manufacturing of drug products. Observation number 2. This observation has been mentioned as repeat observation. Under this observation, auditors stated that the invalid OS investigation reports were inadequate. Root cause for OS investigations were concluded without scientific rationale. Around 10 examples quoted by the auditors in the Form 483. Observation number 3. Written procedures were not established for cleaning and maintenance of the equipments which were used during the manufacturing, processing, packaging or holding of the drug products. Under this observation, auditor found that non-dedicated equipments were used during the manufacturing and for such non-dedicated equipments, cleaning process was not validated. Here you can see the 3 examples quoted by the auditors in the Form 483. Observation number 4. Investigations of any unexplained discrepancies were not extended to other drug products. Under this observation, auditors observed deficiencies in the impurity evaluation reports. Auditors found that during the impurity evaluation, test results were referred from the API vendor COA rather than performing tests in-house. Observation number 5. Well friends, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video that out of 7 observations, 2 observations were repeat observations. So this observation number 5 is also mentioned as a repeat observation because same observation was given by the FDA to Macleods in the previous audits. So let us see what is written under this observation. Control procedures were not established for factors which may cause variation in the characteristics of in-process and drug products. Under this observation, auditors has reviewed the process performance qualification report which were having failures. But for those failures, appropriate controls were not established. Observation number 6. Appropriate controls were not exercised over computer-related systems. Actually, what happened during the manufacturing area round, auditors observed that for manufacturing equipments, individual-wise passwords were not maintained. Auditors checked the list of the equipments and access control for the equipments and found that approximately 44 equipments were having common password. In addition to that, auditor also found that for all these 44 equipments, there was no data storage facility. Observation number 7. Under this observation, auditor stated that building used for the manufacturing and processing of the drug products was not maintained in a good state of repair. Actually, what happened during the manufacturing area round, auditors observed water spillage on the floor of a primary packing corridor. Along with that, auditors also observed water leakage from the HEPA box on the ceiling. So guys, these were the 7 observations which were issued to Macleods Baddi plant by the USFDA. Out of these 7 observations, observation number 2 and 5 were repeat observations. If you want more details about these observations, then you can find the link given in the description or you can directly visit the USFDA website to download the Form 483. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you have learned something new today. Bye-bye and happy learning.